Local news for Thursday, the 3rd of October. Anyone who's not yet received their voting papers are being encouraged to cast a special vote by visiting their local council. This Saturday is being promoted as Voting Day, with ballot boxes at the Carterton Event Centre from 11am until 2 and the Masterton District Council from 9am until 2. Special votes can be cast alongside those who have not received their papers. The average asking price for properties in Wairarapa is up for September by 2.4%. The average across the region is now just over $495,000. New listings, however, were down 25% last month. The Wellington region is the most creative in New Zealand, according to the latest Infometrics data. Also in the top 10 of New Zealand's most creative cities and districts were Carterton, which came in 6th, and South Wairarapa, that came in 8th place. And finally in sport, the Featherston United Football Club are hosting a tournament at Card Reserve on Saturday. Teams coming from Porirua, Trentham and Carterton. And good luck to all those competing. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.